Hi, Mr. Claudio. This is the part one of my portfolio introducing myself. Hi, my name is Joaquín Garrido. I'm 22 years old. I have been living in Concepcion since I was a baby. Okay, my fears and expectations. My fears are mostly anxiety or having a panic attack during a class. Nowadays, it's very common to talk about fears and weaknesses, and I would say that those two are my worst nightmare. However, my strength is my voice projection. Personally, I think I have a good tone of voice, which allows me to catch the students' attention, even if they are at the bottom of the class. Another strong point that I have is that I have an incredible amount of patience with my students. For example, I could explain a topic for over an hour and over again, just for them to understand the topic, even if I have to explain that topic one by one. According to, well, this is the academic reference that I used now. The Practical Guide to Primary Classroom Management, Attention Deficit Hyperactivity Disorder, or commonly known as ADHD and Autism Spectrum Condition, or ASC. Okay. According to the Practical Guide of Classroom Management, some teachers avoid confrontation, which is something that happened to me um, when I was with a certain student of a seventh grade, which is quite hard to control. Um, that day, he wasn't with his girlfriend. His name is Antoine. Um, Even though that is like a difficult student to work with, he's very clever and smart. In some points, the teacher was uh, asking, for example, uh, which is this emotion? Is it anger or happiness or sadness? And he answered all the questions uh, quite quick. For example, like he knew which emotions were those, and he answered correctly. Um, we have in that classroom the seventh grade, and I think two or three students with autism spectrum condition. Um, Most of them are not a big deal, but some take words literally. For example, the teacher said to one of them that that exercise that they were making in the classroom was quite easy, and the teacher said like, this is a piece of cake. And the student answered like, okay, where is my piece of cake? So for example, Antoine has attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, or ADHD. Um, it is hard to work with him, but I think that we can take that uh, on our advantage, because uh, if he if if he gets bored uh, quickly, uh, we can make him do more activities. We can try to make him participate more and things like that. So we can try to take those disorders, the ADHD, as an our advantage for us in the classroom. So I think that would be my introduction for the first part of the portfolio. Pardon me if I was a little nervous and made some mistakes during this video, but um, it's really hard for me to record a video trying to act normal and things like that, okay? So this was my introduction for my first part of the portfolio. Thank you for watching.